Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today, we're going to tackle a yucky job. I'm going to be cleaning the grooves in my glass sliding door, and I'm also going to be doing something a little fun. Before that, I'm going to be sharing with you very small shopping haul. Very small. As a matter of fact, I'll be showing you some of the tools that I'm going to use to clean this yucky mess. And trust me, when I say yucky, I mean it. But it has to be done. So come on in, and let's get started. And welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is a mishmash. You can see how I'm dressed. It's Saturday. I am conditioning my hair, so it's hair day. I also have a quick haul here, part from Grove, part from Amazon. And then my chore for today, I want to clean the grooves in the tracks of my glass sliding door, both in and out. Now, my husband is going to be power washing the deck, so maybe he can do the ones out. But if he doesn't get in all those corners and everything, then I'm going to go out there. I have a few tools that I want to use, and two are in this box that I ordered from Amazon. And I shared with you guys the two brushes that I had ordered in a haul a while back. So let me show you what I've got. Let's get on. So from Amazon, I have been wanting one of these for a while. I ordered a hand vac, and I haven't opened it yet, but if it's true to what it said on Amazon, it should have attachments that will go into those little grooves to first vacuum it out. I'm sure I could have used my stick vac, but these come in handy like for the car and stuff too, and it was a good, and it does. It has the tools that I need. It's a handheld vac. It's by, let's see who the maker is. Doesn't say right here. But I thought it was. It might just be an Amazon brand. I don't know. Oh, it comes with a little bag to put the attachments in. And it doesn't really have a name on it. That's okay. I hope the suction is good. We'll soon see. So I got that, and it has the hose and the other attachments as well. So, secondly, from Amazon, I have been wanting one of these for a minute. Let's see if I can get it out of here. And it is a steam cleaner. It's by Bissell. Hold on a second, I'm going to have to get something to open it. Now, I have a steamer for my floors, and I love it. But it doesn't have attachments for other areas. It's just for the floor. I've seen some on QVC that do floors and everything else, but mine does not. My Shark does not. But this Bissell hopefully will do what I want it to do. I want to steam out those, like, great for window seals, and what I'm going to be working on today, those grooves, I hope. It comes with all sorts of attachments. I'm trying to do this without breaking a nail. I've broken one, but that's okay. You guys know me, I'm going to get my nails done, if nothing else. Oh, nice. It's nice. It's got a nice cord, long cord, so it'll go far. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I believe I paid around $40 for it. I think that was about right. It's called the Bissell Steam Shot. Okay? So those I will be trying today on those grooves. Oh, this came with the Bissell. And it has all of these attachments too. Wow. Oh, it's got a brush that will scrub. Look at there, look at there. Yeah. Okay. And then I have a very small Grove order. I love, especially for my delicates, I still use my Tide Pods for my husband's clothing and for a lot of other things, but I love this Mrs. Meyer's scented for my delicates, like my sweaters that I hang up and do not dry and that kind of thing. And this fragrance is basil. I love it. It's nice and fresh. So I got one of those. I think that's kind of expensive though. One reason I only use it for certain fabrics, I think it's $15 for just that one there. I got 2 of the spring fragrances. Spring to me, I got geranium, dishwashing liquid, and lemon verbena. I love the way they both smell. I got a Method. I got 2 of those in the pink grapefruit. This is new to me, but someone that I know was raving about it, so I thought I would try it. That's why I bought 2, because I really trust her.
Heck yeah.
And she's right. I'm gonna love this. And lastly, I ordered one of the Method heavy duty degreasers. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna get to work. Oh, this right here, I didn't order it, but they're new. They were for my birthday. A friend sent them to me. She surprised me and sent them via Amazon. She knows that I'm going now to a lot of beige and whites, so she sent me pillow covers. They're so soft. So thank you, dear. That was a nice surprise. And they are by, I haven't a clue what they cost, but they are by Nordico Home. And a good idea that my friends and I, well, one friend had and that we're doing, we all do an Amazon wish list and we share it. We have an Amazon group for just us. Since we've been all, inside and couldn't visit each other and be with each other, we have a Facebook group, and we each put our wish list there. So we can go out birthday or Christmas or whatever and see what someone's wanting, and they get what they want. And this was on my list. And that works out really well. And we also Zoom once a month as well. So, but an idea that you could do with family too, so people get what they want and they're not just getting a gift card, So I asked my husband to do that with me too, and we did that recently. And so his birthday is coming up in August, and mine was just in April, and he ordered from my list, and I got 4 things that I absolutely wanted. So it really works, guys. Okay, so I'm going to close out the haul, and I'm going to see if I can get my camera set up so that you can watch me clean. If not, I will show you my grooves before, and then I'll show you after. So we'll see how this works out. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start by vacuuming them out. I'm using the new vacuum. We'll see what happens. Okay, so that's all of the loose stuff, and the rest of it is gunk. So I'm gonna use my old standby before I start the steamer. Spray some Awesome in there. And I left this rug down because I bought a new one. Actually, what happened was I ordered 2 for my entry, and they sent 3. When I called them, they didn't have any record of it, so the person on the phone said, just keep it. So that's what I did. So I'm going to let this sit a few minutes. And then we're going to start with the steamer, and this rug will protect my wood floors, I hope. So in looking at this, you should probably do little spaces at a time. And I'm using this rag. And guys, I bought a brush. Hold on a minute. Okay, so let's see if this brush. Yeah, it does get up in the corners. I can understand the outside getting messy. I don't understand the inside getting like this. Okay, so did I get most of the wet? Looks a lot better. So I'm just going to have to do this more often. So friends, I wanted to pop in to say, if you've stumbled upon my channel and you've never been here before, hit that subscribe button below and also hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. We're a lifestyle channel and we do everything from cleaning yucky spaces like we're doing today, decorating, seasonal decorating, shopping hauls, the occasional recipe, and we do it all on a budget. So why don't you join our little family? For those of you that are new here and have subscribed, I want you to know that I see you and I'm so pleased that you're here. And for my ride or dies, you know that I love you. So guys, let's get back to cleaning. My friends, what was I thinking? The door has two sides. This is the worst. Now you see what I'm talking about. Look at how bad that is. Okay. I'm going to tackle this. Need a new rug for Outback too. Need to pick one up tomorrow. Tackle this. Look at those corners. Yeah. And then I'll come back.
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah. About, yeah. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah. Right, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love.
So here we are. It's the next day. I got really tired yesterday. We worked outside too. And I've got more to do. And look at this. This is just from last night. I'm trying to make it all clean, but I'm showing you the real deal. These things just get dusty. So I'm going to have to clean this if I'm going to keep it like this at least once a week. I don't know what else I can do. If you guys have any suggestions as how you keep these clean, please leave it in the comments below, because I sure would like to know, because I cleaned them last night and then you just saw the dust. So I'm going to show you the other side that I almost forgot about yesterday. And let's see what's going on over there and if I need to clean it again too. Not so bad, but see how things just blow up? See how clean my windows are. And guys, we're still working on the deck. I hope to finish with it by next weekend, and then you will have a full tour of the deck as well. I've got some repotting to do, but my flowers are just growing so pretty. Can you see that hosta around that jasmine there? And I've got one here. And then I've got another big one on the landing. And I'll show you what's in the ground too. They're growing really pretty. But yeah, so glass sliding door project, all done. But I've decided that to maintain this, I'm going to have to do this at least once a week when I do my weekly cleaning. But again, guys, if you have any tips on how to keep these cleaner, please let me know in the comments below. Okay?
Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah.